Pretty sure some places here in the Tennessee Valley have gotten close to 90 degrees, but officially we're still waiting for the big 9-0. Here's a live look outside with a Mission Ridge camera. Cedric, you know how to take a shot, and one of those long shots on the road and you see the heat waves coming up from the road?
Right.
Are we there yet?
We may be getting close to it this afternoon, Calvin. We're going to be talking about that heat and humidity already starting to build. If you stepped outside today, you've noticed a big difference from yesterday to today. It was still warm yesterday, but today we have a lot more humidity in the air as well with warmer temperatures. So it's 85 degrees currently in Chattanooga, 86 in Dalton, 82 in Murphy, 78 in Altamont, and 84 degrees currently in Fort Payne. Those winds are either south and southwest, and what that is doing is tapping into that Gulf of Mexico moisture. So look at the humidity. We show you this map a lot, the dew points, to measure moistures in the air. And again, yesterday, the day before yesterday, we were in the 50s, then we were in the 40s the day before yesterday with humidity levels. Today, we're in the upper 60s to lower 70-degree dew points across the area. So let's kind of take a look at the Muggy Meter to see where we stack up as we go throughout today. Again, those dew points that measure moistures in the air, that dew point, that Muggy Meter climbing up between the 60s to low 70s out there. So we're kind of in between that humid and just the air that you can wear as you step outside today. And you're going to really feel that. It's that kind of humidity that you can take a butter knife almost in the air and just slice right through it. Yeah, you'll still see lots of humidity out there. This afternoon, it's not just the humidity, it's going to be the heat as well. Looking at those high temperatures, I do think we hit the 90-degree plus mark as we go throughout this afternoon. We're going to go with about 93 in Chattanooga, 93 in Dalton, about 92 degrees in Cleveland, 89 in Blue Ridge, 90 in Fort Payne, and about 90 from Dayton to Athens. So yeah, it's going to be hot out there. There is a slight chance of an isolated storm. So let's talk about those rain chances because they're not large rain chances, but it's something we're going to be watching for you this afternoon. So we have a weak disturbance moving through now, a couple of scattered clouds with it, but no real moisture showing up with that system right now. But I am tracking yet another disturbance behind it. You can kind of see this swirl like a little comma showing up here over Missouri, stretching back down into Arkansas, has lots of clouds with it. Now the main part of this disturbance is going to move by to our north, but the tail end of this disturbance may be enough to spark off an isolated storm across parts of the area later on this afternoon, just because we have so much heat and humidity available for this activity to tap into. I think the greatest risk of widespread storms and severe weather will be from the Ohio Valley down into portions of northeast Tennessee and over towards the Carolinas. But if you look closely, even portions of the Tennessee Valley, yeah, we've got a chance of an isolated storm. Now, again, don't expect the storm, but also don't be surprised if you see a storm pop up in your neighborhood. Best chances of seeing that will be places north and east of the city. So as you head up towards Dunlap, Athens, over towards portions of Benton and Polk County, that's going to be your best chance. We're going to be watching the radar closely because with all the heat and humidity in place, any one of these storms that fire up this time of the year, yeah, they could produce some damaging winds, maybe even some small hail. So we'll watch it. The big story through the rest of this week, though, is going to be the ongoing heat situation that we're going to have. But by this weekend, notice especially by Sunday, a front will settle into the area. That'll give us more clouds, a better chance of scattered showers and storms, and eventually some cooler air will try to slowly seep into the area. So that's something we're going to be waiting for, along with a more unsettled weather pattern heading into that time frame. So for your weekend, Saturday, still your best bet to get outside and take care of anything with temperatures still hot in the lower 90s, a slight chance of a pop-up storm. I do expect scattered showers and storms off and on throughout your Sunday. In fact, I think rain chances will be in that 50 to 60% range as we get towards that time frame. Here's your Storm Alert 7-day forecast. We'll watch for an isolated storm today, otherwise hot and humid. That sticks around through the end of the week, but by Sunday into Monday, a front arrives, giving us a better chance of rain and slightly cooler temperatures.
Okay, thank you, Cedric.